In 1997, researchers at NOAA detected an extremely powerful underwater sound in the Pacific Ocean. It was named the Bloop, and its intensity exceeded that of recorded marine movements. The origins of this mysterious sound stirred debates, with theories ranging from giant sea creatures lurking in the ocean depths to unusual geological activities like icebergs cracking and moving. Despite advancements in technology, the Bloop remains an enigma, with scientists unable to definitively trace its source. This auditory mystery of the deep ocean still captivates scientists and the public alike, highlighting the seldom explored corners of our world's oceans.